Please read the following installation precautions before beginning the installation. 1. Choose mounting location. Ensure the wall is sturdy and there's enough clearance. Allow extra length for inlet and outlet tubing. 2. Shut off and drain. Turn off the main water supply valve. Open the nearest faucet to drain remaining water. 3. Cut pipe. Cut the inlet and outlet pipes to the required length. This guide shows PAR pipe, but you may also use PEX PVC corrugated tubing or other suitable materials. 1. Mark and drill. Mark your mounting points and drill appropriately sized holes. Push the expansion anchors fully into the holes. Drive the screws into the anchors, leaving roughly of the screw shaft exposed. 2. Hang unit. Carefully lower the housing onto the screws, ensuring it sits level and is firmly supported. 3. Remove covers. Pull out the 2 red safety pins. Remove the blue decorative cover plates. 4. Disconnect ports. Remove the black inlet and outlet threaded adapters from the housing. 5. Install fittings. Place a sealing washer inside each brass adapter. Then insert the black threaded adapter through the blue plate and thread it into the brass adapter. Tighten securely with a wrench. Wrap TP Teflon tape around the male threads of each brass adapter. Thread a separately sourced male pipe fitting into each brass adapter. Tighten with a wrench. Push the inlet or outlet pipes into the housing ports, ensuring the O-rings seat fully. 6. Reassemble covers. Snap the blue plates back into place and reinsert the red safety pins. 1. Restore water supply. Open the main inlet valve. Inspect all connections for leaks. 2. Flush filters. Before first use, run water through the system for 5 minutes to flush the cartridges. 3. Confirm operation. Ensure water flow is steady and quiet. Your system is now ready for regular use. Thank you for choosing our water filtration system. Enjoy clean, great tasting water.